Hello, gorgeous ladies and gentlemen of the realm. FaeryVixen here, back again with another video. Happy Sunday. We're going to go back to the box that I was working on. There's a little teeny tiny rainbow friendship bracelet. That's cute. So tiny. Cute, cute. Here are some. Ooh, that's plastic, rubbery plastic. And then we have this guy, very small. Let's see if we can't. There we go. That's better. It bends good, so you can get it on and off easily. Here is one with pretty little CZs in it. It almost looks like sterling to me, but I doubt it. I don't see any wear on it anywhere. It has a mark right here. Let's see what it says. It's a heart. It's a Brighton. Look, it's got the Brighton B on it. Cool, it might be sterling. I'll have to test it later because my testing tile is dirty. Here's a nice strand of cobalt, clear cobalt seed beads. They're not quite number 6, but they're not quite seeds either. It's a cute one. Here's a plastic one. Is this? Oh, and it's magnetic. Little bitty choker. Shades of green. This is another one that looks like sterling. The way it's tarnished looks like sterling. Is he just not testing stuff? Don't know, do I? Oh, look. There's a little Maltese cross with a heart. And then these they look like bones. And then we have the saints. All lined up. Or they're all Marys, I don't know. They might all be Marys. It might be a Mary bracelet. And different art styles and different paintings. Very cool. Like that. Oh, here's another one of those. Eesh. Here's a thing in a bag. Hopefully it's not a broken thing in a bag. No, it looks like a nice small B. Okay. B what? B. B. It looks like a handmade one. I don't know. It's got pottery and glass and this stone. I don't know what that stone is. It's interesting. And then the centerpiece says B. Interesting. Strange and different. Okay, let's get this untangled. Here's an orange cotton cord with rhinestones, very sparkly, and it has a button closure. It needs a little bit of cleaning, but it's in really great shape. It's not frayed or anything. Cute. Alrighty. What else? Oh, here's some stamped out Greek key earrings. And Estella Bartlett. She believed she could, so she did. Avoid wearing in the shower or pool. So that's cute. Still in the package. Here's a, yeah, one of those. It's on like a plastic rubber. Here's a little twisted one. Here's a, I don't know what. Resin, most likely. Earring. Here's another bag with something in it. Don't know why things are in bags. This one's cool. This one is Sweet Lola. I'm not sure who that is, but that's neat. Linky chains, chainy links. Ooh, look at this one. Red and white. Rhinestones. And there's nothing wrong with it. There's nothing missing. Very cool. Shiny, shiny. This is a little hook and eye for sewing. Okay. Ooh, we have some calcite with these little teeny, I don't know what these are. These little ones in between are so sparkly. They're probably Swarovskis. Very pretty. And a little brass bracelet. Or a gold tone. It's gold tone, not brass. Slightly domed. Looks very similar to the Monet ones that you find every 5 seconds. This one's neat. It's not just plain, it widens out in 2 spots like that. And it's copper underneath, because look, there's some copper. Oh, here's another one of those Fibonacci swirls earrings. Another little twisted one. An Indian one with purple and gold. And what have we here? Mind over matter. Don't stop believing in yourself. Dream, imagine, grow. Believe. I can. Okay, so it's inspirational and stuff. Inspo. Ooh, ooh, ooh. What are you? Please don't break. Oh, you already broke. I got little. Yeah, those are gonna fall off of there, I think. This one is marked. Let's see what we got. Listener, I thought it might be. Let me see if it's got everything. Come on, don't be tangled up. Alright, so we're missing 1, 2. It's only missing 2. This listener. Isn't it beautiful? But it's missing a dark brown, 2 dark brown ones. Darn. If you have extra rhinestones in like a chocolate brown, or is that black? It might be black. Black. Then, yeah, that might work. You could fix that. It's a shame though. Shame. Maybe we'll be able to find it in the bottom. A couple of them. That would be great. Oh, look at Scully. He's a Scully, and he's got a what do you call that? A cornucopia. It's corna something. Italian. Very cool. He is on a Ball chain. Ball chain. Oh, we got some bone. Pretty sure it's bone. Yes, it's bone. It doesn't have Schrager lines. It is a hook. Hooky hook. The hook off of everything. It's bone. It's got a carved elephant. And then up here it's got, I don't know what these are. Just a little design. A little African necklace made of bone. Cute. Very tribal. Did I put that back in the wrong container? Or are there two? Oh look, there's two of these. Three of these. Wow. Let me get another one out. There's a set here. If I could just get this out of here. It's kind of caught up. Meh. This looks like a multi-strand thing that's caught up in itself. Okay, so we have a triple bracelets. Ooh, wait, almost got it. This is a little copper bracelet that's kind of cool. Needs to be cleaned, but it's still kind of neat. That's nice. Do we have any more in this batch? No. I wonder if there's more in the box. There might be. Here's one of those little things. And you pull on it and it closes. But it's not working, apparently. This is a really neat earring with little puffy hearts. Little diddle dangly ones. Silver tone. Here's that necklace that was making trouble. See, I knew it was multis. Let's see, it's 3. And it's got this. And then it's got this. And then it's got this. So they're all gold tone and they just need to be untangled. Which I will do, but not right now. I want to keep moving. Moving right along. There's another little Scully. He is gold tone and blingy, and he's on this braided thingy, and he says something Inara. Like blue Inara or something? Yeah, I know it says Inara. That's the last name anyway. Now let's see if we can get these guys to work. Yeah, it works good. It's yeah, these guys work nicely. Sweet. Always nice when they work nicely. This is paper beads that look like they were done with newspaper and a child's project, more like. There's another twisty one. I might go with the other ones. I don't know. I might. Oh, what's this? It looks very tiny and very, hopefully not tangled. Oh. But it was put in there so it wouldn't get tangled, it looks like. It's very adorable. It's adorable. It's little pink sequins on really finely twisted links. Little choker. Very cute. Alright, we'll put that back in the bag because it does look like it would tend to get tangled it up. Here's another thing with sequins. What, are sequins a thing now? Because I found some earrings that had sequins on them in this box as well. Here's a little enamel earring and a little brass earring, and I'm throwing everything everywhere. And here is a little copper and I don't know what, but it's a blingy cross ring. That's cool. We got a little bitty one of these and another one of these. There's a lot of these in there. This one has a cross. Let's see if it pulls. Does it pull correctly? Yes, it does. I always like when they pull correctly. I don't wear them because I can't take this dangly bit here. But there are others that do like them. This looks like it looks kind of like it tangled up or it broke or something. I can't tell. It's a strange one. Alright. Oh, hey, look. More shells. But then this, we have this first. It was a little bitty pearl net. Probably a bracelet. But it's gotten very, very loose. It's not broken, it's just loose. Okay. We have another one of these for the pile of shells in this. Nah! I'm undone. Alright, we have a little bracelet that's making trouble here. Here we go. And this is double. It's got double the, what do you call them? Here's the other one. So, we have a single and a double. They're kind of cool. I guess you could wear them together for more punch. Look at him. He's beaded with they're not hematite. Gunmetal beads. Nice figure chain, big thick one. Alright, let's pull this out of here. There we go. And he can go back in the box or go in this next box. Box. Here's another horn with a not glass bead. A ring of beauty is crystals. He's different. Let's see, what do we have? Arrow. I think it's missing a couple of stones on here. Yeah, it is. On the horn part, it's missing a couple. Here's another one of those. One of those. Oh my goodness. We have a big pile of things. Here's a very yellow gold stars. That one is missing. No, it's not. It's got the end. It just doesn't have a we call it? Extender, that's right. Right. Little pearly stretch. Little greeny stretch. Clear plastic earring. A portrait of William Shakespeare on a ball chain. Oh hey, we're at 20 already, dang it. This one feels disgusting. This part, these guys and the tassel are nice, but this part is really disgusting. It's sticky and awful and ew. I'm sorry, but I have to chuck that one. I can't even stand touching it. Ooh, look at you. Oh, one little stone is missing. One little stone. What brand are you? No name on this. That's crazy. That looks really vintage. Look at that. Oh, it looks like a Coro piece. Or one of those type. Darn, it's missing one. Oh no. Here's another little thingy. It says Partners in Crime. Hee, that's cute. Does it pull? It pulls fine too. Oh, of course, one-sided. I don't know why these are here. This didn't get trimmed, or it didn't get trimmed, or it didn't get glued or something. Partners in Crime. Alrighty, we are going to call it here. I would like to thank you all for being here. Please leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, leave a comment down there, and if you see something you can't live without, please leave a timestamp in the comments below of the item that you're interested in, or you could leave send me that same information to my email, which is in my description. But if you do that, please include the title of the video and the date that it was posted. And if you haven't bought from me before, include also your name, your YouTube name, your PayPal email, and your home address, so that we could get you matched up with your YouTube name and your invoice out and your items out to you. Remember that I love each and every one of you. And be yourself, because everyone else is taken. Bye-bye.